Nowadays, many Western New Yorkers and people all over the globe rely heavily on medication to treat a variety of illnesses and disease. And we're learning now that skipping your daily dose can lead to a lot of unwanted health effects. Today, we're joined by Dr. Richard Vian. You are from Univera Health, and today's health subject is just all about the importance, if you're taking a daily medicine, to make sure that you're taking a daily medicine. So let's start by talking about why people forget or skip sometimes.
Well, unfortunately, people forget to take their medications due to a variety of reasons. Sometimes they just forget because the directions are so complicated. Sometimes they just forget. Sometimes they have a side effect of the medication that they don't discuss with their physician. So it's really key to kind of work back with your doctor in those types of circumstances. Sometimes it's cost, or sometimes it's the convenience of going to the pharmacy. So each of these factors kind of contribute to the medication adherence or not taking your medicine as directed.
And we're not just talking about medications like antibiotics. We're talking about medications that are sort of on your daily upkeep, heart disease, diabetes, things that are very important.
Yeah, we're talking about all medications. We're talking about medications for depression, anxiety, diabetes, heart disease, asthma, and the antibiotics, as you mentioned. And one of the unfortunate things that happens with antibiotics is you start feeling better, and then you quit the medication, which puts the whole society at risk because of antibiotic-resistant organisms.
So what can happen if you don't take your medicine? So for people that aren't taking a daily medicine and they don't know what could be the effect, what are some of the things? I know there's a variety of different possibilities, but is there sort of a general concept here?
Yeah, I think if you don't take the medications correctly, you won't get the health outcomes that the medications provide you. You won't get the chronic diseases controlled like you should, and you won't feel better, but ultimately it's about saving lives and making sure that people take their medicines so that lives are saved with this.
So Univera Health right now has a campaign that's kind of helping people remember. Now maybe it just slipped your mind, or maybe you're talking about an older person in your family. How can we make sure that people are taking their medicine?
Well, a variety of factors, and one thing that's very simple, it's very readily available, is the pill box. But we've adopted a superhero campaign. I'd love to give you
the green cape.
The green cape here of our superhero Tad. It's take as directed, which is really the message that we want to be said. There's superheroes out there right now that save the public. There's a superhero in our medicine cabinet called our medication, and that saves lives too. So this is a gift for you.
Now, besides just talking to your doctor about what's happening with your medication if you're having a side effect, where can you go for more information? Does Univera have a website or something?
We do. It's univerahealthcare.com/takeasdirected.com. It has some wonderful information about our medication adherence campaign, our TAD campaign, and can really help the public well.
And biggest recommendation, if you are feeling side effects that are preventing you from taking your medication, always talk to your care provider. Right?
Absolutely. It's about the partnership with your physician.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in today.